everyone, my name is Lakita Nicole, and in today's video, we will be talking about what is in your self-care box, okay? Now, your self-care box is a box for your emergency emotions. Now, I don't know if your emotions are anything like mine, but when they get to going, honey, it be like a woo, alert, alert, alert. In other words, when blank hit the fan and you can fill in the blank. If you still do not know what I'm referring to and just need a little clarification, no worries. I got you, okay? So, a few examples. Maybe you lost your job during this pandemic, or maybe you are having a disagreement with someone you love, like your mama, your boyfriend, or you are just simply having a bad day. Like, this self-care box should be customized to your liking, not anyone else, okay? Your liking. So again, if you have not started a self-care box, no worries. Just, get started. Customize it to your likings, okay? So let's take a look at what is inside of my self-care box. All right? Now, these self-care items are connected to one of the 5 senses. And the first one we will be talking about is sight. Now, I'm the type of woman, I absolutely have to sleep with an eye mask just about every single night. I do not, y'all, I do not like no light at bedtime. Like, pitch dark is okay with me. And I know I'm talking about bedtime, but some days during, my spare time at home, or, during the day where I'm just, again, not sure of my emotions and I just need to take a little breather, and there has been a couple of times of that while I've been in quarantine. So I pretty much put this eye mask on like this and put it over my eyes, and I just, relax. Now, let me just share a few benefits of why you might find it helpful with sleeping with the eye mask. Number 1, it's just cheaper than some blackout curtains. Number 2, maybe it can potentially improve your sleep quality. Number 3, maybe you are the type of person that experiencing, some dry eyes at night, some dry eyes. Hey, no worries. Try using eye masks. Maybe it will help prevent those dry eyes. And number 4, they are just safer than taking medicine or drinking alcohol. So hey, take a few seconds in the comment section below and let me know if you sleep with an eye mask. Number 2, smell. Smell is the strongest scent and is best at influencing one's brain activity. So in my self-care box, I have these 2 essential oils that I purchased from a place called Young Living. And so let's talk about the first one, which is peppermint, okay? And so peppermint is a scent that invigorates the mind. It helps to promote concentration or just clear thinking, all right? And pretty much, if you just need a little boost of energy, no worries. Just open the bottle of peppermint, dab a little bit on your finger. See, I got some of my finger, put it a little bit behind your ears. And I promise you, y'all, it's gonna give you that boost of energy that you need, okay, to complete a very productive day, all right? Now, moving on to the second scent that I have in my box is this lavender oil, right? And pretty much lavender is like one of my favorite scents. And the reason why lavender is like one of my favorite is because it just helps to relax me, make me feel calm, And I'm a wife, okay? I'm a mom, and things and got really, really crazy and busy during these days of quarantine. I think we're probably like 60 days plus. I don't even much know. I lost count, but you all know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, sometimes you feel like you just need to just relax, feel calm, Also, a little side note that it can potentially help those of you who may be experiencing with menstrual cycles that are really bad. And again, all you gotta do, like I showed you in the peppermint, just dab a little bit on your finger or 2, and just rub it together and rub it down here or in the back or wherever you may be experiencing that pain. I think that it can definitely help you. Now we're moving on to number 3, okay? And that is sound. So in my self-care box, I have this lovely Bluetooth speaker. And y'all, sometimes I just put on my favorite jams and I dance like no one is watching. You know, I just be dancing, okay? Because that's just been my life. It gets real. Like I told you before, it just get real. And I know y'all probably experiencing the same thing that I'm experiencing or has experienced in, you know, the last 60 days that we've been in quarantine. And so, yes, I just encourage you to put on your favorite songs, okay? And dance and move like no one is watching you. And additional to that, I love to listen to meditation music. Just to give you an example of what type of meditation music I like to listen to, it's ocean sounds. You know, it's just something about the oceans. Yeah, something about the ocean. So hey, take a moment and let me know in the comment section below, you know, what type of music you like to, you know, listen to just if you need a little picker-upper, or if you just need to simply relax. What, you know, let me know what's on your playlist, okay? Maybe we can share some ideas. Moving on to number 4, taste. Now, in my self-care box, I have this lovely decompress with chamomile, I don't know how you say it, you know, I'm a little country. So I bought this from Amazon only for a few bucks. Now, let me tell y'all something. Come in closer. No, real closer. Yeah. So my husband the other day came to me and said, babe, you say you love tea. And I was like, I do love tea. He was trying to say I never finish a cup of tea. Well, this is the reason. Because he was buying that cheap tea, you know, like that cheap tea, y'all. Like now that we got some, you know, wellness tea, I finished a cup of tea, y'all. So, you know, I had to let him know this tea is where it's at. Moving on into my go-to snack. Yes, so my go-to snack is this paleo bar. Y'all, it's like lick your lips good. Like, man, oh man. Talking about yummy, lick your lips good. Yes, lick your lips good. So the point that I'm trying to make is that making sure that you have your favorite drink, snack, food, etc. in your house on those days that you are not sure of your emotions, okay? Like that is very critical, all right? Moving on to the last sense, and that is touch. So in one of my recent trips to Walmart, I found this lovely little massage roller. And I keep saying lovely for some reason. Maybe everything in my box is lovely. Isn't she lovely? So yes, I love this massage roller. And pretty much this massage roller is a great tool to help reduce tension, tightness, soreness of muscle. It doesn't matter. Anything, if you're experiencing those 3, no worries. This can definitely help you out. And so let me demonstrate, okay? So I normally experience tightness or soreness in my neck and my lower back, you know, my neck and my back. So I just move it around and let the ball do all the work. You see, I'm working out all of that soreness that I may be experiencing. And then I move it down here and my back, my lower back. And yeah, like where I be feeling tense, especially around my time of the month. You know, it gets a little sore and tense there. And so another thing I can tell you is I use this massage roller ball when I'm coming out of the shower. I just put a little lavender on here. Hey, and I do what I just showed you. I'm demonstrating again. I just put a little lavender and keep it moving, okay? Now to the bonus one, gratitude. Well, y'all, I believe there is definitely something that is undeniable about showing gratitude, okay? And so one way I try to always be in a mental space of showing gratitude, and that is by writing 3 things in my gratitude journal that is called Give Thanks to the Lord. And I do this just about every day, okay? And so I just want to be transparent with you all, and let's see what I wrote today. And so pretty much today I said, I am thankful for worship in the word and the presence of God, you know, as I'm recording my first YouTube video and just my prayer time, okay? Now, it is also really important to look beyond yourself and show gratitude to others. And one way I love doing that is by DIYing. I mean, I just love DIYing. So in my box, I DIY this lovely little jar. you know, a jelly jar. I just repurposed it. And pretty much I put a little sticker that says made just for you. I hot glued some red ribbon and tied a little bow and added some chocolate to it, okay? I feel like this gift with a little nice little note card attached to it is a perfect little picker-upper for someone that is important to you, or you simply feel led to show gratitude to someone. And y'all, listen, all this stuff was in my house besides the candy, okay? So this gift literally was under $4, right? Now, you know I ate the jelly. I ate the jelly. And so I don't want you in my comment section talking about, well, you ate the jelly, but you ain't got the jelly cost in there though. Listen. All right then, it was roughly about $8. Just eat you some jelly, eat your jar of jelly, and then repurpose the jar. That's all I got to say about that, okay? Well, it has been amazing, okay? Wow. So I just want to say this. I love to encourage people, okay? Like, it's just something that I just love to do. I ain't got to give no long explanation. I just love encouraging people and letting them know that they matter, okay? And so I just want to let you know that you matter, okay? And never, ever, ever forget that or let someone else tell you otherwise, all right? Now, if this video was helpful, inspiring, your girl want to know, please let me know right after this video, okay? I'm super excited to chat with you in the comment section below. So go ahead and hit that like button, also that subscribe button, sound the alarm. I think the alarm is down here too, so that you never, ever, ever miss a video. And guess what? You probably saying, what? I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.